Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir has said that India escalated its proxy war against Pakistan following its defeat in the Marka-e-Haq, the 19-day military conflict with the New Delhi spanning 22nd April to 10th May, the Inter-Services Public Relations said. Interacting with the participants of the 16th National Workshop in Balochistan, the military's media wing added, the Chief of the Army Staff condemned India's blatant sponsorship of the terror proxies, characterizing them as a failed attempt to target the deep-rooted patriotism of the people of the Balochistan. Indian Forces personnel, in a fresh act of the state terrorism, martyred two more Kashmiri youth in the Poonch district. The youth were killed in a fake encounter by the Indian forces in the garb of a cordon and search operation launched by the Indian Army in Kasaryan and other areas of the district. The operation continued till last reports came in. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has denounced the Indian Home Minister Amit Shah's inflammatory remarks against the Hurriyat platform, calling them a desperate attempt to deflect the attention from India's political and the military failures in occupied Kashmir. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said Shah's tirade in the Indian Parliament branding Hurriyat as a terrorist outfit is not only slanderous but reflects New Delhi's growing frustration with the Kashmiri people's unwavering resistance. Indian Forces personnel launched a cordon and search operation in the Poonch district. The operation was launched by the Indian Army along with the police and the paramilitary forces in all the villages and areas along the line of control in the district. Leader of the opposition in the lower house of the Indian Parliament, Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, launched a scathing attack on the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, accusing him of leveraging the Indian armed forces to bolster his personal image. Participating in the debate on the Operation Sindoor, Rahul questioned the Modi government's intent and alleged that the political optics were prioritized over the military objectives. 16 Indian Army soldiers fell into a river in the Ganderbal district on Wednesday, the official said. The bus carrying the army personnel fell into the Sindh River at the Kullan in the Ganderbal district amid the heavy rain, the official said. They said the search and the rescue operation for the personnel on the boat has been launched.